Do you want to be able to fix sound removed on TikTok? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video until the very end, because if you don't, then this might not work for you. Just so you know, the first step is going to be for us to come to our TikTok app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok app right here, and then come to your profile. So in here, what I'm going to do is to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. Now click on the settings button, and then you should be taken here, which is great. In here, I'm just going to scroll all the way down until I can see where it says report a problem. Very important, click on report a problem in here. And as you can see, we're now taken to this page. What I'm going to do in here is to just scroll all the way down again in here, as you can see. Now I'm going to click on submit a report. So click on submit a report, and perfectly, as you can see, we're now taken to this page. And now you might wonder, why do I have to come to this page right here? Well, actually, great question. We need to contact the TikTok support in here, and this is like the place that we need to come to be able to contact the TikTok support, because they are the ones that can help us to fix this issue. So now you need to write exactly like this to the TikTok support. So write exactly like this: I am having issues with TikTok removing sounds on videos. So basically, write exactly like this to the TikTok support: I am having issues with TikTok removing sounds on videos. Now, after that, click on submit. Now you need to wait about 1 to 3 business days for the TikTok support to see this, and then try again, basically. And hopefully, after that, this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will try my very best to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.